So, we are now queuing up just to get into the actual park, and we're going to head down to Croc Drop first. We'll see you down there. Rico, you looking forward to the day?
Definitely, yeah.
Here at Croc Drop, it looks incredible and I can't wait to get on. Let's get some shots on. So we've just been on Croc Drop and we are now going to head over to Rattlesnake and an incredible ride.
All I want to say is that thing is the best drop tower I've been on. I have only been on two. This is the best drop tower I've ever been on.
Right then, very good reviews from Rico. Now, off to Rattlesnake. We're queuing up now for Rattlesnake. This is a coaster I've never been on before because I was too short last time. But now doing all the rides at Fort Park, I am tall enough now to do Rattlesnake. So we've just been on Rattlesnake. Oh, stop that accent, I think I've got to understand me. But what an incredible coaster. I've never done it before, but wow. That was incredible. And I've just got to admit, didn't invest a lot of money in the whole park this year. The area looks so much more spruced up, so much more alive. What were your thoughts on the coaster?
I think that's the best coaster I've ever been on. The Wild Mouse section has got you, it's just got you going. And the helix leading into the drop was so much fun. I trust in all roller coasters now. I would be really scared of it if I didn't. But wow, that was amazing.
Right then, next up, Scorpion Express.
No. No, go on.
So we just done Scorpion Express. It was an incredible coaster. What did you think, Rico?
Oh, absolutely amazing. It's the first one here I've been able to put my hands on. And it was so much fun.
We're not quite sure where we're heading next, but we will tell you when we get there. Started raining, but we're wet anyway. What did you think of the ride?
Amazing. So much fun. Best log thing I've ever been on.
How many have you been on?
2. Just on the Dragon. I've got that in here. Dragon. That's it. It was so much fun. That was my gosh, amazing. George?
Wow, just wow, I've never come to ride a smile like that. Next we are doing 2 blasts, I think.
Maybe.
So, we are now in the queue for Blue Barnacle. And I'm really looking forward to it. I have not done, I'm trying to think what Swinging Pirate ships I've done. I've done the one at Legoland, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it, yeah. This is my only second ever pirate ship, and I'm really looking forward to it. I never got to ride Black Buccaneer, but
What do you think of the theming?
looking forward to it. Oh, the theming is incredible. There's so many different bits, it always keeps you interested.
Dead men tell no tales.
Right, so we've just been on Blue Barnacle. Wow! It is very intense. We were sat in the middle and it was quite intense, and I don't feel a bit funny now, so we're going to go and sit down for a minute. Adventure, and most of the time the ride got a little bit wet, but now we're going on Vampire. Just wow. So, and I just can't say anymore. Just wow.
Well, you got lots of words.
Oh gosh, yeah. Well, spoken to words. So now we're gonna get to do our first ever donut review. Oh my god, that was terrifying. It's like when you only got a piece of rubber holding you on, the only hole got the bolt hold onto. Unlike Rico, he's got these straps to hold on to, and dismounting a draft proves to be very tricky. Anyway, hopefully these donuts will be ready soon because I want to do donut review. So, Mark is the first ever donut. How is this going to work? So I'm going to put a donut in at the end and I'll give an overall mark out of 10. This donut, it is plenty flavour. Only thing I would say, look, plenty of flavour, lovely texture, right amount of sugar, not too much, but it could have been a little bit more crispy. So therefore, I'm going to give this donut from the Donut Express at Chessington World of Adventures an 8 out of 10. So, we are now in the queue for Safari Ride into Africa. Right, we're heading into the cave now.
To the cave.
So, we've just been on Safari. Wow, it's incredible. Every time I go up that ride, I always forget how incredible it is, but it is an incredible ride. It's almost, this whole park is obviously goes out to the Animal Kingdom over in Florida. But just wow. So, here we go. Going to enter the queue line for Tomb Blaster.
Oh, brilliant.
Very much fun. I came second, I'll go with second out of the 5 of us. But yeah, a lot of fun. Recommend it.
And now, so we just went back to Snake for a re-ride for the final time, our final ride today. We were going to do Travel Story again, but rain's coming, so it's come down and we don't want to get stuck in the queue. So we just had an incredible day here. It was a great day. We got loads done. We thought it would be really busy, but actually really quiet. And yeah, it's just a good day. You can say anything?
The most amazing day. I said this last time, I say it again. This is probably the most fun I've ever had. This is just the theme rides are amazing. The park is great. It sells food. It sells everything. It's just a great place to be.
Yeah. So I've been George Wheeler from the Family Day Trippers, and I will see you next time, wherever that may be.